want us to welcome him.
I am where I am because of the foundation I lay in my education. Because we're signing big contracts, we are interacting with very big people. So the way you communicate and the way you interact with them goes a long way, because I got a very good education. First, education first. And then if they have talent, let the parents support the talents. Because now we are getting in a situation where we don't have jobs in Kenya. The jobs are becoming scarce every day. And there are so many people graduating from universities also. So talent is the other big thing that is coming to employ our next generation.
The message is that if you have a child, Friends School Kamusinga is a place to take that child, because it is a place where we nurture both academics and co-curricular.
That he has come in at least to actualize his promise for the school where he was mentored.